Today we are heading up to Moreton Bay on the jet skis. Got a few tied in.
Thank you, sir.
Ben's just picking and choosing jet skis by his own.
I'll help you and then you help me. I'll help you. Come on.
Oh, this is so good! I just sit here.
Will do.
How many people does it take to get a jet ski?
Bay at the moment. It took a little bit longer than we expected to fill up because they weren't open, but we're about to head over to Moreton now. So we've got about a 30-kilometre track across that harbour. But the weather's been pretty good so far, so cross fingers it stays that way. And hopefully it's not too rough of a ride. But we just filled up, so we've got a full tank, so we're good to go anyway. And then plus the little Jerry on the side there. I do like the look of that boat. Very cool boat. See you on the trip. We're getting closer. We're in the middle of the bay. There's a big car carrier, and then you can see a cruise ship off in the distance polluting the planet. Yeah, there's the airport, seeing some planes take off. Beautiful day though. We've nearly made it. About a kilometre away, I reckon. About. And it is beautiful. We're here, we have arrived. We're at the Tahlia shipwrecks. And it is a beautiful day. Cruise ship there. It is pretty busy though. A lot of people out. We've anchored up. It is a beautiful day. Other than those little bit of clouds, there's nothing else to complain about. You can maybe see Brisbane there, far, far away. Look at this, absolutely amazing. Crystal clear water, beautiful. Oh. Leaving the Moreton now, heading back. I think we're just going to follow the coastline down. Grab a bite to eat at one of the pubs or something. A beverage. And we'll enjoy it. It was quite nice. This cloud just lingered here, nothing happened, but I'm also going to go and check out the cruise ship too while we're at it. We are at North Stradbroke Island now, and this has to be some of the bluest water I've ever seen in my life. Look at this. It looks unbelievable. I don't want to jump in. It is just such a nice day. Barely any chop. We're gonna chuck some more fuel in here because running a little bit low there, but oh my god, this is sick. I need a beer though, very thirsty. Actually, I didn't try to dehydrate, so I think I need a few beers, but this is worth every single drop of it. Look at that. I don't really know where we are. I know we're at Amity and I've got a beer, so I'm happy, but I'll let Tahlia do the rest. Where are we?
We are at the Amity Point Tavern, just having some lunch. We are now on North Straddy. I've got a palmy for lunch. Oh, Bailey got a palmy too, I'd like me to inform you. Do you feel like you're rocking?
Yeah, I feel fucking weird.
Yeah, me too. Crap, I just dropped my palmy on the floor.
Normally I would wait, but this is too nice. 3 palmies on the deck. Also a burger.
And burger.
Nice food, a few beers. Okay, we got kicked out because Josh was too drunk, but we've got to rate. Got to rate the palmy. So what did you rate yours, Tahlia?
I reckon a 9 out of 10. I really liked it.
Ben, what did you rate your cheeseburger?
I'm going to give it a 8.5 out of 10. I'll agree with Josh there.
Yep, and
It was pretty good though.
thanks for getting us kicked out, but your palmy, Josh?
Yeah, I'd say about an 8.5. Good size, bacon, can't go wrong.
What about you, Bailey? What do you give it?
At an 8.
It was pretty good. I would definitely come back.
What else do you like about that place?
All of the staff were really friendly. Hey, Bailey.
Yeah.
No, just really nice and friendly and so helpful.